Good morning, guys. It's morning, Monday, and I'll try take some drone shot. I hope it will be everything okay.
Boxes, I cannot fit in the boxes. Stop it. Quitting was never an option. Exhausted. This passion is never.
So, what do you think about this shot? It's beautiful, is it? Yeah. I love it. Now I'm going to take some workouts, so I will work my ass off.
That's the time we gon' take a fall. I was the real, we don't fake it all. Tired of 9 to 5, just making enough to survive. Only living on the weekends. You really thinking that's why I'm alive? Busting out the scenes, time to live my dreams, do the things deep inside of me. This life it continues with fighting me, but I don't have quitting inside of me. I will not jump in these boxes they throwing me. Talking to God and there's so much.
Now I'm taking a break from editing. I edit for some clients and I need a break. It's great weather, sunny day. I was workout in the morning. I'm happy.
I cannot fit in the boxes. Stop it. Quitting was never an option.
Today was a very hectic day. I was all day behind the computer, working, editing. Now finally 8:30 p.m. I finally got outside, but I'm looking for kebab. I'm in Istanbul, and in Istanbul kebab is nowhere. I can't find it, so I don't know. I'm looking for a Vodafone shop as well, because tomorrow or the next day I want to buy finally a data SIM, but I can't find it either. I finally found the Vodafone, yes!
What the heck? Why are they so close to each other?
I don't know. Finally, after 30 minutes I found a kebab, so I will get a lunch tomorrow there. Yes, mission completed. Alright, I just found 3 kebab houses near each other. Half of hour I couldn't find now, and now I found 3 in 1 second. What is that? Alright, I'm heading home. I will take some rest and I'm looking forward to morning run. Yes. First of all, I think I will start editing this vlog. So no sleep. No pain, no gain. Alright. Good night, guys. Good night.